we have some special munches as always.
Only for you guys.
Only for you guys. And make sure you're trying them out, because if you're about that munch life, you got to be appreciating that munch life. Today we're doing a chicken bhuna. Now, pretty much almost everyone knows what that is.
But we love a good bhuna.
Everyone loves a good bhuna.
That's my favourite.
Yeah, I think let's just jump onto it. We have 2 tablespoons of ginger, 2 tablespoons of garlic, all grated, 5 green chilies slit in half, 2 onions medium sized, 1 tomato in wedges, this is going to be for garnish, and we have coriander chopped again for garnish. We have, as usual, turmeric, we're going to be using 1 teaspoon, coriander, we're going to be using 2 heaped teaspoons, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, 2 teaspoons of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, and 1 teaspoon of mixed curry powder. This is a Madras hot one. Tomato puree, tablespoon, 4 tablespoons of lemon juice, a cup of oil, salt to taste. We have 8 pieces of cardamom pod, 4 pieces of cinnamon, 4 pieces of bay leaf. These are extra long, so I had to tear them in half. Okay, in with the whole spices. Give that a nice mix. Again, as always, we want the oil to get infused. We want all those oils releasing from the whole spice. As soon as that looks ready, about a minute or so, you go in with the onions. Get a nice mix. Sprinkle a tiny bit of salt, just so that the onions can loosen up and also get golden faster when it releases the moisture. Now I'm going to go in with the garlic, ginger. Just continuously stir, because the garlic and ginger tends to get stuck on the pan. The garlic and ginger, I don't want to fry it too much, because I want that flavour to go straight into the chicken. I just want that rawness to come out. So a couple of minutes will be fine. In with the chicken. And I'm going to bump up the heat now back to high, just because the chicken's cold and it's going to cool down the pan. Give it a nice stir. Now these flavours we want inside the chicken. So we put the chicken straight into the onions and we'll do the masalas later. And now put the heat back down to medium. So the chicken we're going to cook for 25 minutes in total. Lid goes on. We'll leave it to cook for 5 minutes. Another thing that helps is, at this stage, is going with the lemon juice. It helps open the pores. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 tablespoon of tomato puree, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 2 teaspoons of ground coriander. Just put the heat down at this stage, guys. 1 teaspoon of cumin, 2 teaspoons of chili, but it's entirely up to you. You can go 1 if you want it a bit more mild. 1 teaspoon mixed curry powder, the garam masala of 1 teaspoon. Now we just want to slowly give that a mix. And then we add half a cup of water. The heat back to a lower end of medium. Give it a mix. Now we're going to cover this so it gets a bit of a steam as well at the same time. And now we're going to let this cook for another 15 minutes. I keep forgetting to add the salt. 1 teaspoon, 2 teaspoons. Again, salt is to taste. This is just giving you a rough idea. Give that a stir. So it's been 15 minutes. Now we want to get those wedges of tomatoes in. These actually taste really nice as well. The green chilies. Give it a stir so that they can get flavoured nicely. And we're going to leave this for a further 5 minutes. So now we're going to go in with the coriander. We like loads of this, especially in a bhuna. You need a lot of coriander. Now just move it around, move it around, move it around, making sure nothing's got stuck. There we go. See the thickness? Now we have a nice thick sauce here. Homemade traditional chicken bhuna. And this is the end product, guys. Can't wait to taste it. Ooh, look at that nice baby chicken. Look at the nice thick sauce. So guys, as you can see, we've got that tomato. It's nice and soft. This is going to be nice and warm as well. The chili's kind of semi-cooked. Oh, these are tender pieces. And then we've got a little bit of a crunch to go with the munch.
This looks absolutely amazing.
I had to sit down for this one. Oh, see that? See that? We always get the breast nice and succulent.
Guys, looks like we have someone else very hungry here as well.
Mmm. Oh my god. Mmm.
How does that taste, RJ?
Amazing, amazing, amazing. You know what? I'm gonna have to have that whole wedge of tomato in this
RJ
bite.
loves tomatoes.
Mmm. Oh, that tomato just bursts into your mouth. Mm. Amazing. See, the onions are still quite whole. Some have dissolved, some haven't. And then we go in with the chicken. Comes straight off, nice and succulent. Oh. Gotta get some of that coriander in. Mmm. Mmm. Now I'm talking business, guys. You know what? Come close up and let me just show you. Watch this, look, it's so succulent, just falls straight off. That's the beauty of baby chicken. It gets cooked so quick and it's so succulent, so tender, and all it gives out the best stock. Mmm, oh my god. Mmm. Oh, how you got to taste this?
No.
This
oh my
is
gosh,
incredible.
this smells so good, guys, and I am not kidding. So this is it, here we go.
This is exactly what you need to wake you up. The spice levels there as well. And with it being a Bhuna, it's more intense, the spices.
Oh my god.
How amazing is that?
Oh my god, I absolutely love it.
It's delicious, guys. I'm telling you, you gotta try it. The coriander, the crunch.
Mmm. Mmm. Mmm.
Amazing. Alright guys, we're gonna have to call it a day now because I need to get cracking on this.
Oh gosh, we need a proper meal of this right now.
As usual, guys, if you like the munch, punch the like.
And our baby's saying it too. Punch the like, guys.
Baby's saying it as well. And just remember, don't forget to subscribe and share with all the other munchers out there.
And don't forget the ding ding, the bell.
Bell button.